MEV Slippage Bot tutorial. Today, I will show you how to code your very own crypto trading bot that is powered by AI, similar to ChatGPT, and will find arbitrage opportunities in crypto trading. In this example, you'll see how we are going to use just 0.1 Ethereum to try and gain a 10 times multiple on our crypto. In most cases, you'll be able to make between $200 and $1,000 on this slippage bot, depending on how much you invest. What this MEV-Bot script does is use artificial intelligence to find arbitrage opportunities within different pairings on the Uniswap and Ethereum blockchain network. The slippage bot can be started and stopped at any time, and you set which address you want profits to be withdrawn to so you have full control. You need to make sure you have the Metamask browser wallet installed. You can Google Metamask to find the official website to download and set up your new wallet if you don't have one. Make sure the wallet has some Ethereum to begin your MEV slippage trading bot script. The first thing you want to do is go to the Remix Compiler website. Link is in the description. This is the website where contracts are coded for the Ethereum blockchain network. On the left-hand side folder, click Contracts and click this little button here to create a new file in the folder. Name the file anything you like ending in sol. I will name this AI cryptobot.sol. Go to the link in the description where I will include the latest MEV-Bot contract code, open up and copy the entire slippage bot contract, and paste it into the file you created. On the left-hand menu, click the next tab called Compiler and make sure your compiler version matches the top of our code. In this case, it is 0.66. Click below to compile your code and prepare the contract parts. It will let you know if there are any errors. Once that is done, head to the next tab for deployment of the MEV trading bot. Under Environment, you want to select Injected Web 3. This will prompt a request to connect with your Metamask wallet. It doesn't give the contract permissions to do anything you do not approve. The contract will never ask for your secret wallet phrase. Some people have been spreading fake codes that ask for that. Once you are connected, click the arrow beside Deploy. This is where we input our settings for the MEV Crypto Trading Bot Smart Contract. The first box is to choose which network you will be trading on. We will be on Ethereum, so ETH. Trading mode has 3 options, 0, 1, or 2. O is for shorts. 1 is for crypto that is going up, and 2 is any. I will choose 2 here. And finally, the withdrawal address is your wallet address where you want the slippage profits to be returned to. I will copy my Metamask wallet just to keep things simple. Once that's done, hit transact. There will be some gas fees to pay for launching a brand new contract on the Ethereum blockchain. This is the contract that will make the AI trades. If the fees are too high, wait for a different time, or you can also adjust the gas fees here. I would recommend just doing market value so that it doesn't take too long to confirm. Once that is confirmed, you can see your brand new contract. You can even check this contract on Etherscan. The next step is to deposit the funds for the actual trading to occur. Click here, copy the contract address that you just created, go over to MetaMask Crypto Wallet and click Send. Paste the new contract address. Now you have to choose your initial investment liquidity. You can choose anywhere from 0.1 up to 0.8 Ethereum. The more you put in, the more trades can be made by the MEV slippage bot before it stops. The MEV-Bot contract will never trade with profits. Only your initial investment. I will enter 0.1 ETH and hit next and then confirm. Once that transaction is confirmed, you can see our brand new contract and it has our initial investment amount. Now we are ready to start the Ethereum slippage bot. Click on the arrow next to your contract and you'll want to hit the red start button. You'll get one less pop-up to pay gas fees for the initial Ethereum to start of the bot. After a few minutes, the MEV slippage bot will begin looking for arbitrage opportunities on the Uniswap and Ethereum network and conduct the trades according to your parameters. You can wait a few hours or a few days. So we will come back and check on this. You don't need to leave your computer on during this time at all. You just need to be able to go back to the Remix website. So it has now been almost 12 hours since we started the MEV slippage bot, and you can see here how many swaps and trades were made. It hasn't made a trade in a while as the initial investment must have been exhausted. Now, we want to withdraw the profits from the contract to the address we set before. Let's click on the arrow and click the red withdraw button, confirm the gas fees, and then just wait until the confirmation and you'll be able to see the profits back in your account. And there it is. We now have 2.9 Ethereum with our MEV slippage bot. That is a 29 times return on our investment. If we had deposited more, it would have kept going. If you want higher amounts or you won't get your investment back, simply put a higher investment or wait longer for the bot to run. Small amounts will not produce any profits as trades cannot be completed. And that is how you create your MEV slippage trading bot on the Ethereum blockchain and Uniswap. Latest contract code is in the description. Thanks for watching.